Hey, thank you very much for the recommendation. I shall make a point of visiting Norway sometime in the near future. And keep those recommendations coming. If you're watching this and you've been to a place that you really loved, I would love to also go there and have a good experience. And make sure that you subscribe to this new channel, Abroad Experience. That's where I'll be sharing all my travel journeys, adventures, anything to do with my travel, that's where I'll be sharing. So make sure that you subscribe. You also share it with your friends. Give me ideas there on that channel. And I may get a point, at a point where I'm going to also interview people. So if you have some good experiences that you'd love to have on a podcast, I could end up doing that. So make sure you subscribe.